Tired of clutter but don't want to spend money on expensive organizers? What if I told you that the solution is already lying in your recycling bin? Today, I'll show you how to turn ordinary plastic bottles into stylish and practical home organizers. These simple does not only save money, but also give new life to waste materials. Definition: a plastic bottle organizer is a storage solution created by cutting, shaping, and reusing bottles to hold everyday items like stationery, makeup, cables, or kitchen tools. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Collect clean plastic bottles of different sizes. Step 2. Mark and cut the bottles according to the size of the organizer you want. Step 3. Smooth the cut edges with sandpaper or by heating lightly for safety. Step 4. Decorate the outer surface with paint, fabric, or decorative tape. Step 5. Arrange and fix them together using glue or by mounting them on a board. Tools explained. You'll need scissors or a cutter for shaping, sandpaper for smoothing, glue for joining, and optional craft supplies for decoration. Quick tips: choose thicker bottles for stronger organizers. Use hot glue for faster bonding. Try transparent bottles for a modern look, or colored ones for a playful vibe. Cost comparison: buying a desk organizer can cost between $10 to $20. Making one from bottles costs almost nothing since you're reusing waste and only spending a little on decoration materials. Workflow: collect bottles gives cut, and shape gives smooth edges, gives decorate, gives assemble, gives ready to use. Professional notes: always ensure the bottles are properly cleaned and dried before starting. Safety first: use gloves when cutting and keep hot tools away from children. Focus on neat finishing to make the organizer look polished rather than homemade. With just a few bottles and a little creativity, you can create affordable, eco-friendly organizers that look good and serve a real purpose. Try these DIY organizers at home and let me know in the comments what you created. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart and budget-friendly DIY ideas.